What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm about to be going to the Woodward Dream Cruise. It's the world's biggest car show. Millions, it's like 1 million people that come from worldwide to come and check out cars. Just cruise up and down Woodward, park on the side, spectate. So that's what I'm about to do today. I'm going to be with the Motor City Camaro Club. So we have a designated location. So got the Camaro cleaned up last night and that's where we're going. Sorry Blazer, no love shown. But before I jump into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. Woodward now, and we're going to be parked over there somewhere, but I'm going to pick up somebody first before we do. There's nobody really out here because it's very early, but as the day gets later, this is going to be full stop and go. See the police down there like blocking something off. That's the event that I'm going to. I got out hoochie daddies first and foremost. This guy's shorts are much shorter than mine. Come on man, come on now. Hey. We got King Hooch right there. Who did it better, King Hooch or me? Come on. That man showing some thighs. All right, so that's all we got today. So that was just a sliver of the Dream Cruise. We probably walked a half mile. So we're at 13 Mile in Woodward. The Dream Cruise, well, technically it doesn't touch Detroit. So it goes from north of 8 Mile all the way to 15 Mile. Actually, it goes past that all the way into Pontiac, which is probably like 10 miles north, but all up and down Woodward, like even in Detroit, but they just don't call it the Dream Cruise in Detroit. I'm here with the Motor City Camaro Club. This is all the Camaros behind me. We're wrapping things up. I showed you just a glimpse of it, and it's still very early. It's only 10 o'clock. I got here at 8 o'clock. Got the footage for you all, but the crazy cars will be out later. And it will be bumper to bumper all the way to 15, 20 mile stretch, all the way up and down Woodward all day long. So that's going to be that. I'm about to get food, utilize this wristband, hang out with the people. This is a huge car meet. That's all this is a car meet. Cruise up and down Woodward, but cars will be out everywhere. So that's all I got for you all today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out.